I'm Becky, and this is my sister Kathy, and we are co-owners of Miss Cayce's.
And we create, inspire, educate to decorate. And today we're going to educate all you folks on how to decorate your front porches seasonally with the right products. And you know what they say about first impressions. It takes only about 17 seconds to make a first impression, and you can never make a second impression. So those people that are running by on your street, walking up to your door, even the mailman or the UPS guy, I mean, things should look really great, and it's just so fun to change things out seasonally. And first of all, you need to have good hanging options on your door or your brick or whatever you're going to be using where you're going to hang your things.
I like to use nails in several places. It does not bother me because of the color of my door, or I love command hooks and get the ones that will hold the right amount of weight that you need them to do, and I leave them up year round.
If it bothers you, you can always touch up the nail with a little paint or the mortar color if you've got it in your mortar. It's good to use mollies, mortar mollies, and actually drill those in, and then it's very secure for the things that you want to hang.
In all of our decorating, Kathy and I like to pick a theme or a color story. And for my front doorway now, Easter is coming up, so that's the direction that I'm going. And I like bright colors. I'm not as much on pastels for Easter, but this has a great mixture of both. And we always like to use our signature black and white. So we're going to show you a simple door decor, and depending on what the size of your pocketbook is or your budget, you can add more or a whole lot.
For Easter, I have a screening that I use, or a Burlee like this.
It's a matter of layering. You can do as much or as little as you want. Think about from year to year. Start out with one thing, then you can add bows to your light sconces, add pillows to your bench, layer your rugs down below. It all just can evolve over time, or you can do it all at once if that's what works for you.
Another fun thing that you can do is use pot stakes, make a really fun impression. They come with a little pipe on the back that twists and screws into the back. Also comes with a hanger if you wanted to hang it in somewhere on your porch. These are cute. These are made by Round Top. They're metal. They don't disintegrate or anything like sometimes wooden stuff does. These are, look at the fun carrot and the fun eggs down here. Cute.